Alright, we're about to head out to this meet. It's 9 in the morning, I just woke up, and it's at Willow Bend Mall in Plano, Texas. And then after we go there, we're probably gonna go to the Ferrari dealership for another meet, and if we do, I'll show you, so see you there. To the Ferrari dealership. I'm gonna see what there is. There were a lot of cool Ferraris at the dealership, but when I found this, I knew that this was a special meet because this is a 1 of 6 prototype 288 GTO Ferrari. There was less than 300 made of the regular model in the 1980s. There were also 4 LaFerraris, which are valued around $5 million a piece, and unfortunately I did not actually record horizontally for this video because I was mainly thinking about recording for YouTube Shorts, and if you want to see it, it will be on my channel probably next week. So these are the ones I got. Alright, we just got ice cream and most of the Ferraris left, so we're gonna go home.